As you can see, this is the old earbud. I have taken it out. How to replace the Sony WH-1000XM4 earpads. You need something thin to be put in between the cushions, to be inserted between the earpads cushion and the headphones frame. Once you insert it, you can push out the earpads until you hear a click. You have to continue doing this for the entire frame of the earpads to fully remove it. Once you have the new replacement earpads, you can remove the old driver cushion and replace it with the new one. Once you have replaced the driver cushions, now you can take the earpads and align them with the dots and click them into place.